Welcome and ciao. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 14. I'm Maurice, and this week's function is st_transform. What is st_transform? St_transform is a function that allows you to transform the geometry of a spatial object from one coordinate system to another. Let's pop into pSQL and have a look at the function signatures. There are 8 functions, 4 of them deal with geometry, 4 with raster data. We're going to stick to the vector data today. The first one takes in a geometry and an integer, and this integer is pointing to the spatial reference ID. PostGIS has a spatial reference table that has a list of quite a number of coordinate systems, and the SRID is the identifier for each system. If I pan across to my right, you'll have some text in one column, and then another column will have more text. So the 2 columns are 2 different ways of representing the transformation or representing each spatial reference system. Behind the scenes, PostGIS uses the proj4 library to do conversions. Let's do a simple example. Alright, so our simple example will be converting from JAD 2001 coordinate system, which had a spatial reference ID of 3448, and we're converting a point. So the point is 750,000 easting, 650,000 northing. And when transformed, you get negative 77 degrees and 18 degrees north. This is, of course, in the WGS84 coordinate system. So our more complex example is really just trying to change a table's geometry column from one coordinate system to another. And we do this using the alter table statement. Let's find a table here to work on. We can use the Jamaica parishes table. Let us use the st_srid function to find out what the current spatial reference ID of the table is. Great, it is 3448, and we're going to convert this or transform this into WGS84. So we're going to use alter table and the using clause, and in the using clause we'll drop in st_transform. Great, there we go. So using alter table with a using clause, we can convert or transform an entire geometry column from one spatial reference to another. Alrighty folks, hope you enjoyed that. Pop in next Thursday for another function in the series. Bye!